Nobody move. Oh my goodness. Brown. Brown, wake up. Brown, there is a deer in our garden.
A what? A deer? That is a deer.
I know.
Where did it come from?
Dad, can we keep it?
No, Jack.
Why not?
Mom, where is its mother? I'm not sure, sweetheart. My roses!
Wait.
Fine, fine.
That baby deer, it has a special name. It is called a fawn.
A fawn. Fawn.
I'm just going to look.
Jack, no.
I just want to see it up close.
We stay inside.
Why?
Where is its mother?
Captain! Captain! No!
Jack, do not open that door.
Captain, here. Come here. Good boy. Let's go inside.
It's scared.
Inside, Captain.
I'm sorry.
Is it okay?
It just needs quiet. We wait.
I need to make a call.
Hello. Yes, we have a young deer in our garden. A fawn on its own. Yes, I see. Yes, it is alone. I see, yes. That makes sense.
Dad, what do they say?
One moment.
What did they say, Dad?
Baby deer are often left alone. The mother leaves the fawn while she finds food. This is normal.
Is it lost?
Maybe not. The mother hides the baby, then she comes back. The baby just waits.
It is waiting for her.
We must not touch it.
Why can't we touch it?
Our hands have a smell. Animals can smell us. If we touch it, the mother may not come back.
Oh, I almost touched it.
The best thing we can do is wait.
But what if she doesn't come back?
Then we call the rescue team. But first, we wait.
Captain, the baby's mom is coming back, so we need to be quiet. The baby's mom is coming
back.
Okay. It's okay. I'm going to make breakfast at the window.
Good idea.
I'll stay here.
Good, Jack.
It is still there.
This is taking so long.
Have some toast, Jack.
Dad, it has been a long time.
Not yet. We still have time.
I finished it.
Anna, that is beautiful.
It is beautiful. What if it's scared? Not a pet?
Yes, and more. Wild animals live in nature. The garden, the trees, the fields. That is their home.
It is just visiting us.
Anna. That is exactly right.
But I love it.
That is why we help by doing nothing.
My last rose. Enjoy it.
I hope it is not lonely.
It does not know it is alone. It just knows the morning.
I will not try to touch it.
Good, Jack. That is protecting it.
What do we do if the mother does not come?
We call the rescue team before noon.
Dad, look at the trees. Did you see that?
Dad, look!
There is her mother.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, little dear.
Jack, look, hoof prints.
They are so small.
Well, the flowers are gone. That is okay.
So, what did we learn today?
Some things are not ours to keep.
Yes, Jack.
We helped by doing nothing.
This was a good morning.
I truly.
Anna,
This is beautiful. We will keep this.
It is so small.
Captain, no! Oh no.
He is looking for the deer.
We should put a sign in the garden.
What would it say?
Yes, what would it say?
Welcome back. Anytime.
If you had a sign in your garden, what would it say? Tell us in the comments.